when the Bible says, oh, please, my manners, I greet all amazing, wonderful, well-meaning Biafrans. I greet every well-meaning Biafran that has been able to allow their hearts and minds to work properly. If you are one person that wake up and you channel your hearts and minds to work properly, you think of doing the right thing. You think of, working on being a good person, and you focus on that. Please, don't even worry about whether you read all the scriptures. You are already working hard and maintain it. Um, you know, you see, Mazikai, all the people that tell you that, please don't take this. Every truth they say is contaminated.
Mm.
They speak contaminated truths. Now, let me tell you, I think this man, this Dibia pastor, is he goes for the highest bidder. He doesn't care. He's a hitman. He does not matter. It's just like any other murderer. When you have the assassinators, once you call them, they're ready to do the work. So this man, it does not matter. Just call him and give him enough money from what he is being paid before. He will leave the old job and move to the next. And I think that's what happened this time around. All this choreographic, and I want to say to you, you called two people that are our known leaders and freedom fighters. I can proudly add Madam Ngozi Orabueze, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. I don't have her heart. When I remember she is a woman and sitting in that position, please, is anybody, please mute your mic. I can't imagine what that woman is taking and going through. So you have your two, I have my three, no problem. See, there is something I was telling a group of youths that's on a platform. I tell them, I said, beware of mixed salad. Word mixed salad is one of the most dangerous. What that means is, if for us women that make salad, there is one they call mixed salad. There is cabbage, there is lettuce, they put everything together. But in the category of words, you see these liars and schemers. They come to you, present what look like a truth. But inside of that, their salad, there is cabbage, there is lettuce, there is carnage, there is all kinds of crap. In fact, I added concrete, if you know what that concrete. So you think you're looking at a truth, you put your mouth there, your head will scatter. That is what this man, when they paid him, because now I'm beginning to see that the other group that they are cooking now is the one that, because I had the blind seer, if Satan could be in God's presence and doing all he's doing and he fell, how do they even, what annoys me is when they now come, they want to wear white. They are talking about whiter than white, whiter than snow. If you want to be in the freedom fight, if you want to liberate your people, you have to be, and they are evil men. I even know if they were first angels before they even fall. I think the devil gave birth to them and then they called them, baptized them to be angels. Because I haven't seen anything since I started listening to this man. And like I'm saying, the one that called himself a seer a few days ago now, he's calling Madame Azuka God in human form. Like, great woman. So it looked to me, and when you look at sequence, because I follow sequence, I follow trajectory, I like to connect the dots. This particular incident that happened where they are talking, and also from what I heard from different platform, what happened in the past times, it looked like this other commander or general, whatever, has been a loyalist of Madame Azuka. Now begin to count the loyalists and the man that goes for the highest bidder. He has been bought and he is going to spew all the galls in his belly. He's going to vomit all the shit. He does not care who buys. They don't care how many pogrom. This nonsense they're doing will cost. They don't care. They don't care how many destabilization this will cause. This thing they are doing, they know it will cause destability inside Biafra land. Because that is how they eat. You see, go and watch what they are doing. Go and check. Go and check the sequence of events. They are cooking because they eat from the peril. They eat from the woes. They eat from the pain of the people. They eat from the evil that comes out of whatever they are cooking. That is how they eat. If not, how else can they scam the people? And then you see the other one they call I gave him the name because that is what my spirit is comfortable with. There is another one, the mask man, the strategic plottist, the mask man. Then you have the one that called herself Ekeoma. All of them are in this. Now, we are talking about the group that the CIC. I think CIC. I think CIC is between the devil. They may switch and make peace with the one that had the fake forged uh, um,
Documents.
certificate of whatever. So it is just a bunch of scammers that are ready to devour and destroy. And I want everybody to know these people are the same. And that is why I get angry when people begin to, excuse me, when people begin to say two elephants fighting. Please, it's not two elephants fighting. This is the enemies of Biafrans, chronic agitators, those that eat from the PLOOD of the people, versus the people that want to liberate Biafrans. That is what I see. So whether they talk from two sides of their mouth or they create three tongues and they begin to speak in the tongue of human, tongue of the gods, and tongue of the whatever, so long as they did not see, because that's why I come here every day. I come here for these 50 million Biafrans that sometimes we say, where are they? They can't even speak because what behooves them is now they open their phones to search if they see anything Biafra in their phone, just to buy them. The ones that they cannot go to their farms, the ones that have the women that have become widows because of the evil that is going on in the land. The ones that couldn't go to school, the ones that are in level 14, they cannot their salary cannot take them to work and feed them for 3 days. The ones that are both in their homes alive. The Biafrans that are living under siege and our leaders that are in danger. We desperately need this freedom. And every day I keep saying, if only you can go and research what is going inside that Alaruraru, you know how desperately we need this freedom. And these people are here. And somebody is saying, these people versus these people. What is it? How can you even put them on a scale? The fact that 50 million people voted, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stated it. He made a sequence of events that will bring us to the freedom. He said, we will do our referendum. And after that referendum, based on it, we will get the people's mandate. And we will move forward from that. And all these things has happened. The man that God has given him to take the mandate, this same group prevented him, calling him names, making sure they nip him. Now, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze is holding the people's mandates. And we are here hearing the same story. And somebody is telling me that they shoot one bird, the mama fly. Listening to this gall, these people spewing their gall from hell. And the people are suffering. And somebody is telling, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said it. He said they deliberately misunderstand me. They deliberately create chaos. They deliberately do what they are doing because they are paid. Because they gain. Their gain is from the people's BLOOD. Their gain is from the people's misery. Their gain is from the pain of the people. And you think they're going to stop? And like I keep saying, anybody that is well-meaning, that is godly, that means well for humanity, because it's deeper. So this thing is like battle between darkness and light. I don't see anything. It's just what it is. Darkness trying to swallow up the people. People that are daily. So what? How did it? As times go on, you people will see what I'm talking about. That now they have a god called Azov that they will rally around, and maybe they will make. Now they are going to mimic deputy prime minister, and then it will be the clash of two women titans. Hello, the devil and whatever. You know what? I think we all need to, if you are a well-meaning Biafran, there has to be a growing up. We need to grow up. There's so much to deal with, so much to correct. And the people that are in the city and in the villages, they don't even know which one is right and wrong. Except that if you know the truth, if you are in this, please stay focused. Find out what you are called to do and do it. And let's see how we can get out of this quagmire. I rest it there. Thank you so much, Mr. Kai.